So I'm going to show you how to fix your light 7 clean light flashings. Take this front panel off with a T15 Torx bit. All these come out nice and easy. Make sure you have the power off to the unit. All these screws come out of here. I have one broken, so this one doesn't come all the way. And what you're going to want to do is check your control panel. And this is how you get to your control panel, by closing this. This thing flips open, and right here is your control panel. We're going to want to take this out. This just pulls out. This one and this one pull off. Take a picture. Mine was a white stripe on the left, and these clips just unclip. Can you get them? Don't turn it upside down. And then this pops away. These just unclip. And these all just unplug. And you're going to want to release these tabs so that you can slide this unit right up. Use your bit here to take this out. Pop the tabs out. There's your control board. And what I did was I popped these little tabs so I can lift the control board right out. These all come out. Screws, you can use a screwdriver. Just poke those out. Tabs that are holding it in. And it should just slide out of the way. Just be careful, don't break it. Don't buy a new control board, because this is all that the problem is. It is in the back. Now if you have a look at the control board, you can see there's my problem. So all I did was resolder this one that was burnt out, and that controls the heat. Do that and you'll save yourself $100 on a control board for the Kenmore Elite.